guys, oh. Royal Air Force. Ayan. Ito, isa din ito sa ginamit noong war. So, mga rail ito, guys. Ito yung mga rail na mga military aircraft na ginamit. You know. So, ito yung loob. Akyat tayo, guys. Akyat tayo sa loob. So, ito yung loob. Yan. At saka ito yung parang upuan lang nila. Tapos, ito yung gun. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ito yung gun. Nasa nila. Nasa window. Yan siya. Tapos, ito naman yung niya, oh. Ito yung cockpit, guys, oh. Yan yung cockpit, oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Yan siyang cockpit. Ito naman siya, guys. Yan, oh. Tingnan natin. Yan, helicopter wings. So, ito naman yung niya, guys. Ito naman yung cockpit niya. Yan, oh. Yan ang cockpit. Ito yung upuan. Yan. So, diba? Yan, pwede kayong guys, litrato. Pero, hindi na ako. Litrato. Yan, oh, Navy. O, tingnan nyo ganun kalaki siya, guys, oh. Oh, the big. The Royal Navy. Yan. Tapos isa din ito. Ito pa din. So, lahat ito mga military aircraft. So, yung iba inaayos nila para na back to reality again. O, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Ito, oh. Yan, oh. Yan siya, oh. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Yan, army. Ito siya. Tingnan mo, sobrang laki. Diba? Naman, guys, oh, parang monster. Yan, oh. Sobrang laki, oh. Sobrang laki. Oy! Psst! Yung dalawa, oh, nandyan, oh. Hoy! Anong ginagawa nyo dyan? Yung dalawa umakyat, guys. Ay! Hoy! Psst! Say hi! Hoy! Psst! You too, say hi! Grabe lang doon sila sa loob. Umakyat sila, guys. Yun, oh, sobrang laki. Diba? It's massive. Parang submarine. Oh, Royal Navy, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Royal Navy. Yan, guys. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is real. This is real. So, this is yung cockpit. Yan, oh. Yan yung cockpit nila, guys. Yan, oh. Grabe, oh. Ang daming equipment nila. So, nandito tayo sa loob ng Royal Navy aircraft. Military aircraft. Yan, oh, puro engine, guys. I mean, yung mga equipment nila. Ito naman yung yung tinatransport nila, yung mga sugatan. Yung mga sugatan na mga mga sugatan na mga military. Yeah, akit naman sila dito. Right. That's the gun, guys. So that's the gun, right? Oh, grabe, oh. It's quite big, isn't it? Massive, isn't it? Imagine. Yeah. You cannot go inside the cockpit, no? No.
You can look into it, yeah.
Yeah, you can take photo there as well. Look, it's a massive. Massive. Ito pa, guys, oh, another Royal Navy. Yan. 007. Yan, the Royal Navy. grabe, ang sobrang laki. Diba? Grabe. Ito is another Royal Air Force. Ayan, Royal Air Force. Ito sila guys. Oh.
That is no more